Hi everybody, it's Adam.
And Petri.
And today we're going to teach you about the core word,
When.
when. And when on our core board is right here. So it looks like a little clock with a question mark because sometimes when has to do with time. So do you want to practice?
Yes.
All right, you've been wanting this today. What is this?
That is an orange.
You're right. So guess what?
What?
When 10 seconds are up, then you can have the orange.
Oh, so I have to wait a little bit of time for that when to happen.
Okay, and guess what? I'm going to do it this way. So guess what? Our 10 seconds starts now.
I see the number going down. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
You did it. You waited the 10 seconds. So I said, when you wait 10 seconds, then you can get the orange.
I got my orange.
You did. Guess what? That happened because you knew to wait for that time to when it's done. Other times we do this. First we eat our food, then we can have dessert. That's when you get to eat it. So it has to do with that time or something you finish first.
I think I get it. Cool.
It is pretty cool.
When can I get a drink?
Oh, you know what? When 10 seconds is over.
I'm watching. Here it goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's drink time.
You get a whole big...
Whoa, that's a big drink.
You bet it is. If you want a lot of water, I got a lot of water. Thanks for waiting and learning about when.
I get some water. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Enjoy the core word, when.